quick video, guys. I've decided to plug it in and see if it comes on. So here's the moment of truth. And it's posted on the screen. It's got the RAM there, 16GB DDR3. It's got the i5 3570 3.4 GHz, detected SanDisk SSD, and the 500GB hard drive. Yep, so that's done. That's done. That's a cracker. It's a cracker, that. What we're going to do next is, in another time now, because it's enough for this video, is include an LED strip down here. Gives it more bling. And maybe another CP fan. Well, that's it, guys. While working. See you all next time.